of filming something inside of a soundstage, but making it look like it was done somewhere else. On the left side of the tram, running the whole length of the stage on the floor, there's a track. They built that track for a subway train. They don't do the scenes with computer effects. We actually have 3 cars of a subway train that we can roll back and forth on that track. It's not very often that you get to see what the inside of a soundstage looks like, because after they build a set like this, they'll turn it into a closed set, so only the film crew gets to come inside. But we do have permission for this today. Everybody remain seated. That's an earthquake.
นะครับนี่อยู่ในเหตุการณ์จริงเลยแผ่นดินไหวนะฮะโอ้ร่วงเลยครับโอ้โหรถตายแล้วฮะโอ้โห
Everybody hang on
โอ้ยไฟลุกโอ้ยช่วยด้วยดูครับร่วงอีกหรือเปล่าโอ้ดูเอาครับยอด
There's a subway on the left side. It's coming this way.
What's happening?
No. Let's get out of here. The water main just broke. But I have a window.
Water coming!
Let's get out. The reason that 20th Century Fox rented out the stage for us in that episode of
ยอดไปเลยฮะ
was because in that episode there was supposed to be an earthquake. They put some stuntmen inside that attraction. They ran it, they filmed it from a few different angles, and this is how it looked in that same episode.
ครับเป็นไงครับเราโดนหลอกมาตลอด
Nobody ever says that. Now that you've just seen an earthquake, we have to calm you down by taking you to a peaceful part of our backlot, and that's why John is bringing us